Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. On today's video, I'll be walking you around how you can achieve instant glowing face, instant smooth face right from the comfort of your home. All you'll be needing, onion skin. Normally we do throw this onion skin away, but I have a dry place where I store mine. Whenever I need some, I just bring it out and use. So you can also make a lot of healthy recipe out from this onion skin. So guys, as you can see, I just added mine's onion skin to the pan. I had some water. Right now I'm going to heat it up. The procedures are self-explanatory. This video is self-explanatory, so just enjoy this video. A quick highlight about my channel. My name is Susan and you are watching Glossy Tips. On this channel, I make recipe or remedies or tips related to natural beauty, healthy beauty, for glowing skin, how you can keep your skin glittering, shining with zero cost, all ingredients from your household. This is my rice flour. I'm using 2 small spoons of rice flour. I'm going to add some coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but in my case, I choose to use coconut oil. Half a spoon will do, but depends on the quantity you are making. And this scrub, believe me, you can also use it to scrub your hands, your legs, your body, your face. In my case, I use it for my face and my hands. These are my orange peas or orange skin powder. I have a video on my channel on how I make this. I sun-dried my orange peas. Once they were dried, I blended them into powder texture that I store in a bottle jar. This is what I use whenever I need some, or maybe if I want to bake, I just take some from it, some orange powder. Whenever I'm going to bake, I need something something of orange powder. I just know I have mine there and take it for easy use. So as you can see, the ingredients are partially things you throw off after consumption. Your orange peas, your onion skin, and rice flour. Rice flour, if you don't have rice flour, you want to make yours, just take some handful of rice, put them in the blender and blend into fine powder texture. Your rice flour is ready. So right now my onion skin juice is ready. I'm going to gradually add it into my mixture and I'm going to mix it. I don't want it to be too watery because I need a firm texture which I can use to scrub my face and massage my face. So I did a double layer of it. The first one was so very firm, so I have to scrub. Once that one was dried, I whisk it off, then and I start another one. So guys, I will leave you to enjoy the rest of this video with my background music, and hopefully someone find this tip helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you find my content helpful. Bye guys, and stay blessed.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh,
Josie family, I'm done masking my face with my mixture. I did a double layer of it. I allow the first set to get dry, then I scrub it out. Then I apply this other layer on it. I'm going to allow this to sit for my face for 15 to 20 minutes. Once this is dried, I'm going to rinse off with lukewarm water. Then after which, I'm going to use rose water and almond oil. You can choose to combine both, or you can choose to use one or the other. But in this case, I'm going to use just rose water, because while I was scrubbing my face, I was a bit aggressive with my face, so I noticed my face got or was red. So because of the redness, I'm going to use rose water to calm my skin down or relieve my skin from that harshness sensation, or to help my skin reduce pressure. So guys, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification. I will see you towards the end of this video to see the final looks, my final comment, and if you like this remedy or you want to try it, let me know on the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you. Kiss kiss. So guys, this is the final look. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some rose water on my face, then allow it to dry. Then I'm going to apply my home mix face cream on my face for the final glow. So you can see from for yourself, it was dry. It is super chic, affordable, and super effective. Instant glow. I call it instant glow.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.